Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered if we're alone in the universe? The question of extraterrestrial life has captivated our collective human curiosity for millennia. This fascination isn't a modern phenomenon. It extends back into the earliest periods of human history, where we can trace the roots of our cosmic curiosity to ancient civilizations. The Sumerians, for example, were one of the first civilizations to incorporate celestial beings into their mythology. They believed in a pantheon of gods, the Anunnaki, who they thought descended from the heavens. These divine beings were said to have played a significant role in the creation and progression of humanity, a belief that profoundly influenced their culture and religion. Similarly, the ancient Egyptians, known for their deep reverence for the cosmos, weave tales of sky gods and celestial journeys into their mythology. Their deities, such as Nut, the sky goddess, and Ra, the sun god, were believed to traverse the celestial sphere, underscoring the Egyptians' perception of a deep connection between the heavens and life on Earth. As we transition into the medieval and Renaissance periods, our ancestors' beliefs evolved from celestial deities to a more scientific approach. The concept of life existing beyond our planet started to take shape. Renowned philosophers like Giordano Bruno proposed the idea that other planets could harbor life. This revolutionary thought marked a significant shift in our understanding of the universe, laying the groundwork for the modern fascination with extraterrestrial life. From the cosmic deities of the ancients to the celestial scholars of the Renaissance, our perception of alien life has undergone a dramatic transformation. The evolution of these beliefs mirrors our growing understanding of the cosmos. It's a testament to our undying curiosity, our constant quest for knowledge, and our unyielding desire to understand our place in the vast expanse of the universe. From cosmic deities to celestial scholars, the concept of alien life has evolved dramatically over the centuries. As we delve deeper into the alien enigma, we continue to unravel the mysteries of our celestial neighbors. As our understanding of the cosmos expanded, so did our theories about extraterrestrial life. From the dawn of the 20th century, the realm of science fiction has played a significant role in shaping our ideas about aliens. Authors and filmmakers have often depicted extraterrestrials as humanoid creatures, sometimes benevolent, often malevolent. These imaginative renditions, though far from being scientifically accurate, have sparked a global interest in the possibility of life beyond Earth. Meanwhile, in the scientific community, the Drake equation and Fermi paradox have provided a framework for speculating about the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations. The Drake equation, proposed by Frank Drake in the early 1960s, offers a probabilistic argument used to estimate the number of active, communicative, extraterrestrial civilizations in the Milky Way. On the other hand, the Fermi paradox, named after physicist Enrico Fermi, presents a counter-argument. It questions the contradiction between the high probability estimates for the existence of extraterrestrial civilizations and the lack of evidence or contact with such civilizations. This paradox has led to numerous hypotheses, ranging from the possibility that we are indeed alone in the universe to the suggestion that advanced civilizations are avoiding contact. Amidst these hypotheses and paradoxes, space agencies like NASA have been actively involved in the search for extraterrestrial life. Their missions have ranged from sending probes to our neighboring planets and moons, to the search for exoplanets in the habitable zone of distant stars. These endeavors are driven by the hope of finding signs of life, be it microbial or more complex. While the search for alien life has often been romanticized in popular culture, it's vital to remember that it's a rigorous scientific endeavor. It's a quest guided by our curiosity, our desire to answer one of humanity's oldest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Today, the search for alien life is a scientific endeavor, fueled by our curiosity and our ever-expanding knowledge of the universe. What does the future hold for our quest to find extraterrestrial life? That's the question we're all asking, isn't it? With our ever-advancing technology and growing understanding of the cosmos, the chances of finding alien life forms seem to be increasing by the day. Let's start with Mars, our neighboring planet, and the subject of many a sci-fi thriller. The Red Planet has been a hotbed of exploration for decades, and with good reason. Its geological history and potential reservoirs of water make it a prime candidate for harboring life, albeit likely microbial. The Perseverance rover, currently roaming the Martian surface, is equipped with the most advanced tools yet for detecting signs of past or present life. Imagine the implications if we were to find even the tiniest microbial life forms there. It would mean we are not alone, at least not in our solar system. But let's not limit ourselves to our solar neighborhood. Our telescopes are peering deeper into the cosmos than ever before, revealing a vast array of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars outside our solar system. Some of these distant worlds reside in what scientists call the habitable zone, where conditions might be just right for life as we know it. The study of these exoplanets could lead us to signs of extraterrestrial life, perhaps even civilizations advanced beyond our own. The implications of finding alien life would be monumental, to say the least. For science, it would provide invaluable data on the conditions necessary for life and potentially offer new insights into the origins of life itself. For society, it could reshape our worldview, challenging our beliefs and perhaps even fostering a newfound sense of unity. After all, realizing we're not the only ones out here could make our petty squabbles seem rather insignificant, couldn't it? Whether we find microbial life on Mars or receive a radio signal from a distant galaxy, the discovery of extraterrestrial life would fundamentally change our understanding of our place in the universe. The future of alien exploration is exciting, filled with endless possibilities, and one thing is certain: we're just getting started. From ancient myths to modern science, the concept of aliens has fascinated and perplexed us for centuries. We started with legends and folklore, tales of beings from the stars that came to Earth, shaping our understanding of the cosmos. This curiosity laid the foundation for our scientific pursuit, leading us to the modern theories we have today. We've examined the evidence from mysterious radio signals to unexplained phenomena, all hinting at the possibility of extraterrestrial life. As we look to the future, our quest to understand these celestial beings is far from over. We're pushing the boundaries of space exploration, scouring the endless expanse of the universe for signs of life. Our technology is advancing, our knowledge expanding. We stand on the brink of discovery, eager to unlock the mysteries of the cosmos. As we continue to explore the cosmos, one question remains: are we alone in the universe? The answer awaits us in the stars.